What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically in today's video, we do have some interesting things to go over. I'm starting to notice some new kind of technical indicators forming on most of the major cryptocurrencies. As you guys can see here, clear as day, there's got to be something forming on XRP here. You know, we didn't make a video yesterday. I didn't think it was necessary because it would have just been, kind of reiterating what we had spoken about on Saturday and Friday here. But you can start to see there might just be some sort of kind of downtrend, maybe some sort of uptrend here, forming another symmetrical triangle, which we're going to have to zoom in on the 4-hour, maybe even the hourly, to get a better look at what's forming on XRP here, which this could potentially result in a breakout, which is pretty exciting. But beyond that, we also need to look at Ethereum here, which is seeing more consolidation. I mean, a lot of these cryptos are starting to dip lower, which we figured and expected, and we said that in yesterday's or in Saturday's video. You can see the downtrend. We've been able to short this and make some profit. Same thing goes with Bitcoin. We're hitting resistance and we're starting to short, make some profit. The S&P is actually we saw yesterday closest above a major downtrend, which is pretty incredible if you ask me. But I'm starting to think we'll probably see some movement like this. I would likely think that. You can see, as we've shown in the past here, you can see how beautifully it aligns. So after moving up and correcting downwards, we're now moving back up, which is then correcting, and then a reversal. And you can see we've even, in my prediction, headed slightly above major resistance. So the fact that we're seeing this now is good. You know, we could head up from here. I don't think it's going to happen. I think we're going to correct, then see that. But we are looking good across the board for everything, including these cryptos. Even if we head lower, it is a healthy pullback, and it is necessary for us to continue to head up higher. We need to see a small pullback, a healthy correction, and then we should be following. It should be followed by a movement back to the upside here. Now, with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So, guys, super quick, for those that don't know, I do have a Patreon where I post all of our cryptocurrency trades here on the channel. My friend and I post on. You can see on Patreon here, you can join it for free. We have over 1,400 posts. We've been doing this for a very long time, and it's really, 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 really cool. We have 4 different tiers: Gold Trader, the Lounger, Crypto Platinum, as well as the Trading Masterclass, which I highly recommend you guys check out down in the description below. So if you want to be ahead of the curve, ahead of the game, and before I even make my YouTube posts, and you get in the market, because you know the markets are time sensitive, then make sure to check out my Patreon down in the description below, where you can join and see, kind of my trades here: XRP, crypto, Ethereum, the S&P 500, so on and so forth here. Make sure to check it out down in the description below. But moving forward from that, I also want to focus on the BidFi free cryptocurrency reward giveaway. As you guys can see, BidFi is giving away $200 in free cryptocurrency. All you need to do is sign up with that link down in the description below, activate your futures account, and it's literally that simple. You'll be able to earn up to $200 in free cryptocurrency. So make sure to check it out down in the description below. It's not going to be around for that much longer, so make sure to take advantage of it while you still can. Now, moving forward, you can see yesterday's video. We made a video talking about 2 days ago, we were talking about the fact that we've hit the top. XRP Ripple holders, breaking news. We have hit the top. What is next for cryptocurrency? You can see we've kind of been focusing on the breakout outside of an ascending fractal, breaking bullish here. We're now, which we called, because you can see we were filling in the gap here, calling a breakout, and then we actually just hit the top resistance, and we are going to start to correct. And that's pretty much what's been taking place within most of the major cryptos. You can see we are starting to slide downwards, if not consolidating sideways, trading at 76 on the Fear and Greed Index, 1.4 trillion in the global crypto market cap. You can see right now we are trading sideways here. Bitcoin is flatline, Ethereum is flatline. You can see BNB is starting to correct. XRP is flatlined out. Lots of these cryptocurrencies aren't getting that volume coming back into the market. So what we're actually seeing is new technical indicators forming. We're starting to play out new movements here, and then it could hopefully result in a bigger break. As when we see typically sideways movement, especially now, it usually results in some sort of big break or big pop. Now, focusing on XRP here, you can see just off the daily, there is definitely something going on here. We jump to the 4-hour, hopefully that clears it out. Let me go back to the 4-hour. You can see, hopefully we start to see some stuff. You can see we had originally drawn a beautiful ascending triangle here. If I delete that, you can see beautifully where this uptrend is right here, filling in the gap. We broke downwards. That was a short opportunity. Well, we're going to delete some stuff now. We're going to delete this, maybe delete this, and kind of now see what exactly we got to look at. There's definitely a downtrend. That's for sure. I mean, this is obvious as heck. As for an uptrend, that's the tough part. Maybe we draw it like this. I don't know. This is where things get a bit tricky on the uptrend point of view. Maybe it's like this. This is also possible. I don't know for sure. What I actually think I want to do to make it look a little bit clearer is maybe draw some sort of descending fractal like that. This might be a better, a more useful case scenario here. We can see we're actually forming a descending fractal, and these are typically bullish here, where we have a flag pole. Here's the descending fractal, and we should see a break to the upside here. Whether or not that happens, we'll see, because we are pretty overextended here, but we are trading on top of, you can see the weekly moving average here. We're above it. Finally, we're above support here. This is a reversal doji, typically a sign of reversal. You can see the last time we had that reversal doji, it was immediate correction. Very possible this is going to have the same reaction, and we correct down. And again, it would be a healthy and necessary pullback to the downside here. A correction back down is necessary for the health and longevity of XRP. But you can see it might be a bit bigger. Like, I'd actually be very happy if we see that. We extend these pulls out like this, and we extend this pull out like this, and this is what we see. A bull flag. Here's the flag pole. We fill in the gap here. It aligns us perfectly with the daily moving averages here. It aligns us perfectly with the uptrend in blue, and then we break out of it. That's the goal here, and this would align very much so with all the other cryptocurrencies. With the previous bull flag formations we've had on XRP. It aligns itself extremely well. Actually, here you can see we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 bull flag formations on XRP, and as I've said before, here we are starting that continued bull flag formation. This is exactly what we spoke about many days ago, actually. So if I could pull up, let's say, a previous video from 3 days ago, hit us with that commercial. I'm going to skip it really quick, but ideally, if we can get to the XRP technical analysis, let me pull that up here. You'll notice we actually drew what appeared to be here we go. What we're looking for, this is exactly it. The fifth bull flag formation here. We've seen it happen numerous times in the past here. And here we are drawing the fifth one. So this was on the 3 days ago. This was on the 9th. It's currently the 13th, 4 days ago. And you can see here, this is the prediction that we had, which was a bull flag forming. This is necessary. A correction and a pullback is needed for the health and longevity of XRP. We need to see a correction. We were able to short this, and look, that's exactly what's happening. It can't be any more perfect. We predicted this days ago. 4 days ago, we said we're going to have a bull flag formation. History likes to repeat itself. XRP is drawn to bull flag formations recently. So we're going to look for a fifth one, which would have a healthy pullback to moving average that we can short. You can see that is exactly what is forming here on XRP to a T. Here we have it. Here it is. I mean, it's identical. I'm actually going to screenshot this by how perfect it is. You can see just how beautiful we've corrected. This is November 9th. We predicted correction on XRP. And you can see this is exactly what's taking place today. Correction on XRP to the downside. So it couldn't have been any more perfect. It's so obvious. Here's a descending fractal. Now, if anything, more so, I'm hoping that we actually see us correct all the way down to moving average here, followed by that breakout. That would be incredible, but this is perfect that we're forming a fifth descending fractal right on time. Obviously, if you guys want to trade BidFi and get in on this trade, make sure to do it on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi allows me to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly want or think about in an exchange is offered on BidFi, which is super cool. They have XRP to leverage trade here. You can see take profit and create stop losses right here. They have leveraging right here that you can take advantage of as well. Literally anything and everything you could want on an exchange is offered right here. So make sure to check them out down in the description below. Sign up completely free. They even have a welcome rewards bonus where you can sign up and earn $2,888 also free by filling out some of the simple tasks down in the description below. Sign up reward. New user tasks, advanced exclusive tasks, earn tons of free cryptocurrency. Now, moving forward from XRP, looking at these other cryptos, correction was necessary and correction is necessary for a healthy movement and a healthy play within Ethereum. And these other cryptos, if you want to move up higher, we need to pull down first. So as we said, we hit a peak on a lot of these cryptos. We hit the top on a lot of these cryptos. I said it in Saturday's video. Correction is necessary. Correction is needed for us to keep moving. And here we are dipping lower. It's exactly what we said was going to happen. Here we are correcting on XRP. Here we are correcting on Ethereum. Here we are correcting on Bitcoin. And we'll see what happens with the S&P, but I'm hoping today we open and start heading lower here. But you can see the rejection that's taking place. We are overbought on the daily for a lot of these cryptos. It's necessary that we pull back in order to move higher. However, obviously, if we break through this at any point, we'll buy in and long it to the upside. But until then, we have to be sitting pretty, waiting to see what happens. But I'm also a believer that the S&P should dip first. Then we'll see that correction. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.